Hey guys, Nolan here, Johnson RV, Sandy, Oregon. I got Ben Maddox behind the camera today. Premium pre-owned, you guys know us, we've been doing that for 25 years. Mostly motorized, but on occasion we come across really nice trailers that we just can't help ourselves with. You guys, Shasta. Shasta's been around for over 80 years, as you can see there. They are well known in the trailer industry. This one we've got a 25 RS, which is actually a bunk model with lots of sleeping inside for a small little easier to pull coach here. We do have the power jack on the front, dual propane tanks, nice big pass-through storage with the magnetic clip, not the little plastic clips that get sun beat and break, which I absolutely love. Going towards the inside of the coach, I'm gonna actually just sneak back here a bit. I don't know if you can make it back here or not, but I want you guys to see this huge outdoor entertainment area with a little refrigerator, nice little sink and everything we need, which I absolutely love. Watch your step, watch your step. There we go. Speaking of steps, check this out, guys. We got the Lippert solid steps, which I absolutely love, and they actually put the covers on them, which makes them even better, in my opinion. Super easy to get inside. Now, you guys, check this out. Believe it or not, the side of this coach is actually in right now. We wanted to show you how easy it is and functional this coach is without having the slide out. So it's very accessible. If we need to stop on the side of the road for my kids to use the restroom or to grab something out of the fridge or whatever that looks like for you, it's doable. Towards here in the back, we've got the corner bunks, nice big bunk beds with the extra storage underneath, which I absolutely love. Into the restroom, again, nice and big, easy, big shower, with a little tub area at the bottom for it. Good storage here, your pantry kind of space, if you will. And then we've got a bed here, the dinette here that turns into a bed, and then the kitchen area, which I absolutely love. Big refrigerator for a smaller coach, nice big double sink. And then Ben, just go check out that front sleeping area, which does have a sliding door, which I love. Nice private area. Really, really well taken care of. Clean coach, you guys. 2022 for Shasta 25 RS. Check out, give Ben a call or myself. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks.